African Chief Justices from various countries of, among others, Uganda, Botswana, Eswatini, Tanzania, Malawi and South Sudan are undergoing a two-day summit on alternative dispute resolution at Mistil Hotel in Kampala. The summit, under the theme Re-engineering Alternative Dispute Resolution on the African Continent, aims at equipping the Chief Justices with various skills and knowledge regarding conflict management through alternative dispute resolution mechanisms.
During the summit, a number of topics will be discussed. These include building and promoting peace in Africa through alternative dispute resolution, enabling access to justice for sustainable development in Africa.
The Vice President Jessica Alupo officiated the two-day summit on behalf of President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
It is my honor to officially open the Africa Chief Justice Summit on ADR.
In his speech, President Museveni applauded the Chief Justices for coming together to generate various ideas regarding ADR to extend justice to the masses. Museveni says the concept of solving disputes through mediation, arbitration among other mechanisms, existed way back in the African traditional society. Hence, the modern justice system should emulate it.
The modern system of justice has many lessons to learn and replicate from the African concept of justice. Traditional conflict resolution techniques such as the mediation, adjudication, reconciliation, and negotiation, which Africans employed in the past, offered great prospects for peaceful coexistence and harmonious relationships in the post-conflict periods. Africans viewed disputes as an opportunity for strengthening instead of breaking societies and relationships.
The former justice system is at times was not successful due to various reasons of, among others, limited manpower, mounting legal fees, thus the need to embrace ADR. Although alternative dispute resolution is implemented in commercial disputes, land disputes and others, a challenge of case backlog is still high.
In Uganda, a Justice Needs and Satisfaction report of 2020 revealed that there were 12.8 million legal problems in a year. At the time, Uganda's population was about 40 million. And while many were resolved, majority remained unresolved, or this resolution was seen as unfair. 1.9 million were under hearing and 2.13 million were considered to be unfairly resolved. This is quite a significant justice gap that deserves specific attention. It is the one that has kept the African societies together, has kept the fabric of our society together, which is the original dispute resolution mechanism. And it is the one we seek through ADR, through this conference, to recapture, to reclaim, so that we can have a justice system which is meaningful and formalize it so that it is not just informal as it is being practiced.
The Africa Chief Justices Summit on Alternative Dispute Resolution was engineered by Pepperdine University, the Swedish Embassy, in partnership with the Judiciary of Uganda.
We have a long-standing relationship with Uganda over 15 years in the pursuit of various forms of ADR. Most of those years, it was the initiative of plea bargaining.
The two-day African Justices Summit is hailing at Mistil Hotel in Kampala, and in attendance were retired Chief Justices of Uganda, Justices of the Supreme Court, High Court judges, among other delegates. Rebecca Nantongo, Susan Inabugu Day, UBC News.